This one is not going to be an Obsidian quick tip, it's going to be a super quick tip. Okay, let's say you have this note, you want to save it as a PDF. Just click here, and there's this option here, export to PDF. Then you can change some of the settings, include file name as title. It's what it says. It will use the file name as the title of the PDF. You can switch, and of course you can rename the PDF in the future. You can change the paper here, landscape or portrait here. The margins, I found that default works well, but you can change this to make the content more centralized in the page. And again, here there's an option to make it, the content smaller, or I keep it 100%, and it's the ones I tried worked very well. So now click here, export, choose a place to save it, and see, you can change the name here, new name, and of course you can do this later. Just rename the file, and here it is. Pretty cool. We got the map, the tasks, and everything else. For more quick tips like this one, check this playlist here. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon.